Hey guys, Matthew here. So I finally kind of moved in, got some stuff put away and all that, and I started a new job, so that's why I haven't really been on and posting once a week like I usually do. But anyways, I received the Razer Anzu. These are a pair of smart glasses. These compete with the likes of, let's say, the Amazon glasses or the Bose frames, and so that's kind of the new market, or the new, I guess, area of sound and technology that a lot of companies are going into, such as Apple. I think they're starting to look into stuff like that as well. So anyways, this is the Anzu smart glasses. I have the smaller rectangle shape because of course my face is kind of smaller. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and kind of see how these are, first impressions. So stay tuned. So let's go over the quick, I guess, tech specs of this before we unbox the actual glasses themselves. These retail for $199.99. I got these on Razer's website, but I know Best Buy is starting to, or about to start selling these on their website. So Best Buy sells the Bose frames, so I'm not sure if they will actually sell these in store, but you can order them online, or you can pre-order them online. But anyways, I got this on Razer's website for $199.99. No matter if you get the large or the small rectangle or the circular design, it's still the same price. These are said to have low latency audio. So what that means is that if you're listening to or watching a video, the audio and the video should be linked up pretty well. Unless you're like watching with a microscope, you shouldn't be able to tell the difference between, or the lag between, the video and the audio. They also have a built-in mic and speakers. That's what the smart glasses are, but they have the built-in mic and speakers, so you can take calls, you can access your Google Assistant or your Amazon Assistant, or I guess your Apple, your Siri, stuff like that. So that's cool that these have that. I've had a pair of the Bose frames. I think I did a unboxing video or a review video on those way back, I guess a couple years in my earlier videos, but those were just kind of big and a bit bulky. I know that Bose have come out with some smaller frames, some more I guess better looking frames, but still I decided to go with these. These come with polarized lenses along with your blue light filter lenses, so if you're staring at a computer for a long amount of time, you can swap the polarized lenses with the blue light lenses, and it should be able to at least help with your eye strain and all that, which is nice. These have water resistant IPX4 design, so that means that if you get caught in the rain, they shouldn't get too damaged. It should be fine. Same with if you get splashed with water, if you're like at the pool listening to music. But don't go, I guess, swimming with these. Don't go if it's raining outside. Don't on purposely wear these while it's raining, and you should be fine. These should have more than 5 hours of battery life on a single charge, so that's nice that you can listen to music for at least 5 hours. I think the Bose frames only last 3 to 4 hours, give or take, so it's good that they have that. And like I said earlier, these actually come with 2 pairs of lenses versus the Bose frames that only came with the lens in the box, which I believe were just the standard polarized lenses. So let's go ahead and unbox this pair. Okay, so here are the Razer Anzu smart glasses. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I don't know where my unboxing knife is, so I've got just a regular kitchen knife here. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna cut here, and that should be able to do the job for us. So now let's go ahead Okay, so we'll go ahead and take that out. And when you do open it, it does come with 2 boxes, and that's it. So here are the 2 boxes. I'm assuming that the first box is the sunglasses themselves. So we'll move that to the side real quick, and then open the second box up right here. So we'll open this up, and it's just kind of a scan the QR code for Razer support. And then you take the little top off here, and here are some lenses. I'm not quite sure. I guess these are the polarized lenses, so that means that the blue light lenses do come pre-installed on the sunglasses themselves. So yeah, it's nice that they give you a nice protective case, I guess, for the lenses. So we'll go ahead and move that to the side. And here are the sunglasses. Now I will open this box here. There we go. And here is the case for the sunglasses. It's a nice leather or faux leather case. It's pretty big, honestly, for a pair of sunglass case, but anyways, there's that. What else comes in the box? You get some manuals, I'm assuming. So here's your warranty. Here's kind of probably a quick start guide, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is just a quick start guide. And then you get your kind of your microfiber cloth in order to clean your sunglasses / blue light filter lenses. So, and that's what you get with that box. And so now we are going to move on to the actual sunglasses themselves. Let's open this up. And here are the sunglasses. They're kind of subtle in design, so we'll take this off here and take these off here and that part off as well. So here are the sunglasses. It's pretty nice. The lenses are, as you can see, kind of the blue light filter lenses, and the glasses themselves are kind of a glossy finish. And right here you have, I don't know if you can see it, but you do have a indicator light, I guess, on your sunglasses. When you open up the sunglasses, they automatically go into pairing mode. So while I download the sunglass app, which is called the Razer Anzu right here, I will continue opening the rest of the case. So then in the bottom here, there's this little slip, and here you have the glasses charger right here. It's USB-A to the proprietary connector, magnetic connector for the sunglasses, which on the bottom here, as you can see, it just kind of clips, magnets hold it in place. So there's that. And then that's it for the case itself. So we'll go ahead and put that there. We'll put this here. And we'll go ahead and open the app. And here you go. And you can enable that. Let's go ahead and enable that. And search for your smart glasses. And just like that, it goes ahead and searches for the smart glasses. Let's see if it finds them. And there we go, successfully connected. We'll go ahead and pair, and begin tutorial. And while you do this, it kind of goes you through all the intros. This is how you do this and this, but quick and easy, super easy for pairing. Freely practice the available gestures on your device. So this doesn't, unlike the Bose frames, this doesn't use a set of buttons or a button, I guess, to navigate. It actually uses touch gestures. So we'll go ahead and see what gestures there are. You have your single press, your double tap, your triple tap, your long press for 2 seconds, and your triple tap and hold last tap for 2 seconds. So there we go. And so now we'll just practice real quick. Okay, so you actually have to press it. You can't just tap it. It's more of a press. Again, single press, so just be aware. It's not like your earbuds where you can just tap it once, tap it twice. You actually have to press it. So There you go. Play, pause, double tap. Yeah, see, it says double tap, but it's more double press. Triple tap is, again, more press. And then, let's see, long press for 2 seconds. Okay, so that's cool that it does that. And then here is the app itself, where you can remap your gestures, your battery control on your left and your right, right. So that means that each side of the glasses has their own, I guess, battery, which is nice because that helps with the low latency. It doesn't have to relay the audio channel or anything like that through the glasses. It goes to each individual one. Right here you have the EQ presets, and you can click that and it gives you your default, your enhanced clarity, and your treble boost. You don't have anything else on there. And then right here you can press that, the little gear icon, and it shows you gaming mode for low latency, your firmware updates right here and stuff like that. So there's that, and then you can do all that. So this tells you what preset it is right there. But other than that, it's pretty simple. Right here you can remap your gestures when you press that. It just remaps all the gestures. You don't have a ton of gestures to do, but you do have some. So there's that as well. But that is the Razer Anzu smart glasses app for your phone. Overall, the glasses, they look pretty nice. They're pretty slim, not too bulky. I mean, they are a little bulky, but not too bad. Not like the Bose frames, in my opinion, but they do look nice. And I believe if you do this, they do close or turn off, go into kind of a battery saving mode, which is nice as well, because a lot of times people, especially when they wear glasses, they aren't expecting the to turn off your glasses. So that's pretty cool. The one thing I will say is that right here, I did notice that the gap right here is pretty substantial, so it looks a little weird, not majorly, but it does look a little weird that you do have this gap here in between the lens frame and the, I guess, stem of the glasses themselves. And right here, there is the speaker drivers themselves right there. So that will help for if you're trying to figure out where the sound is coming from. It's not on the Bose frames. I believe the speaker driver is right here, but these actually go all the way back and forth, so that's nice. These, just from how wearing them for the few seconds that I did, or a few minutes I did, they did feel pretty comfortable, but I will have to wear them longer, wear them with the sunglasses, kind of see how they feel. But other than that, they felt great, at least initially. Hey guys, so I have the glasses on and they don't look too bad. They're not like super big. These are, again, these small rectangular glasses. They do make a larger version of these, of the rectangular ones. They do make a small, medium / large version of the circular ones as well. So you do have at least a couple of options. Currently, I have some music playing on the sunglasses themselves, and let's see if you can kind of hear them. I don't know if you can hear that, but they do sound decent. They're not like amazing. They're not gonna give you that crazy bass or anything like that, but again, with something like these, you're not expecting a crazy bass on them. I don't know if you can hear that. And that's with, right here, that's with the volume on my phone set to 50%. So it's not gonna be super loud, but it does sound decent for a pair of glasses that play music. But anyways, again, they do look pretty good, and they don't look super weird or obtrusive. They just look like regular glasses. I really like these. I'm gonna have to test these out and just see how they are. I'll wear them outside with the sunglasses lens, the polarized lenses, but these are so far pretty good from what I can tell. Again, I just paused it and then you can play it that way. There you go. I got these, wanted to unbox these for you guys. I have the Sonos Roam Bluetooth speaker, the new Bluetooth portable speaker from Sonos. I should be getting it in pretty soon, so I will do an unboxing video of that as well, and then kind of compare that one to my favorite speaker, the JBL Flip 5, for portability wise. But so I've got that unboxing speaker, I have a review video of this coming up as well, and then I know earlier I said I'd review the iRobot i7 robotic vacuum, so I've got that as well. So I've got some videos coming up that I've got to do, but hopefully I can get those out in a timely manner in the next couple weeks, and we'll go from there. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everyone, stay safe. Peace.